All right, truck's here. Check the seals. Looks good, driver. Let's get these unloaded. Hydraulics engaging. Stand clear. Quality checks beginning now. Document every fruit.
Rotating brush systems scrub watermelon surfaces thoroughly. Every rind receives deep cleaning treatment. Water sprays. The sorting system is operating at 98% efficiency.
The buffers are filling faster than anticipated. We should adjust the cutting speed.
The production line accelerates gradually. African American male workers oversee equipment performance.
Safety systems are verified thoroughly. Conveyor speeds are adjusted. Everything is prepared for extraction. The next stage starts.
Automated seed separation equipment removes seeds efficiently. Mechanical systems sort waste materials. Watermelon juice streams continue uninterrupted. Watermelon juice travels through additional filtration units. Fine particles are removed completely. Crystal clear liquid emerges. Stainless steel pipes transport product efficiently.
The levels are perfectly uniform across the line.
Excellent. Maintain current speed for packaging.
Coating systems print manufacturing details. Traceability information appears on every watermelon juice bottle. Laser marking equipment works rapidly.
Cartons travel toward palletizing stations. Robotic stackers build perfect pallets. Every layer aligns accurately. Film tension is optimal. Quality check passed. Moving to staging.
Inventory systems track locations instantly. Distribution planning continues as orders await shipment. Pallet 34B, Watermelon Wave, confirmed for the Dubai shipment. Copy that, moving to loading bay 5 now.